Hey, Emma. Good morning.
Hey, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good.
Yeah, I feel that. Mornings can be hard sometimes.
True. Oh, by the way, my name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Nice to meet everyone watching today.
So today, we're just two friends talking.
Yes, very simple, very natural.
We're going to talk about our day
Talking about your day is something you do every day in English,
with friends,
with family,
at work.
or at school.
So let's start easy. Emma, how is your day going so far?
Let me think for a moment. My day is going pretty well.
That's good to hear.
I woke up at 7 a.m. today.
Whoa, that's early.
Yeah, I wanted to wake up early, but it was not easy.
I understand. Did you hear your alarm?
Yes, I did. My alarm was very loud.
Same here. My alarm sounds angry.
Angry alarm, yes.
I stayed in bed for 5 more minutes.
Just 5?
Okay, maybe 10 minutes.
That sounds more honest.
Then I got up, brushed my teeth, and washed my face.
Simple morning routine.
Yes, nothing special.
Did you make breakfast?
I did. I made toast and eggs.
Nice. I love eggs in the morning.
Me too. And I had coffee.
Of course you did. You always have coffee.
Yes, I need coffee to feel human. After breakfast, what did you do?
I took a shower.
Long or short?
Short. I was in a hurry.
Ah, busy morning.
Yeah. I looked at my phone while getting ready.
Emails?
Emails, messages, news, a little of everything.
That sounds like my morning too.
Then I got dressed and left my apartment.
Did you walk or drive?
I walked. It was nice outside.
That's good. Fresh air helps.
Yes, the weather was cool and sunny.
Perfect weather. Talking about work. So, did you go to work after that?
Yes, I did.
What time did you start work?
I started at 9 a.m.
That's a good time.
Yeah, I work at an office.
What kind of work do you do?
I work with a small team. We answer emails and talk to clients.
Sounds busy.
Sometimes it is. Today was okay.
Just okay?
Yeah, not too busy, not too slow.
That's the best kind of day.
I think so too.
Midday break. Did you have lunch?
Yes, I had lunch around 12:30.
What did you eat?
I ate a sandwich.
What kind?
A chicken sandwich. Very simple.
Sounds good to me.
I also had some fruit.
Healthy choice.
I try.
Did you eat alone or with coworkers?
With coworkers.
That's nice.
Yes, we talked about our weekend plans.
Oh, fun. Any big plans?
Not really, just relaxing at home.
Sometimes that's the best plan.
Okay, Alex, now tell me about your day.
All right. My day started a little differently.
Oh? How so?
I woke up late.
Really?
Yes, I woke up at 8:30.
Wow, that is late for you.
I know. I was tired last night.
Did you sleep late?
Yeah, I watched TV too long.
What did you watch?
A comedy show.
Was it funny?
Very funny. I laughed a lot.
That's good.
But this morning, I was in a rush.
All right, my day started a little differently.
Oh no.
I jumped out of bed.
Literally jumped?
Almost.
I brushed my teeth very fast.
No coffee?
No coffee.
Oh, wow, that's serious.
I know. My morning felt strange.
I can imagine.
Work and feelings. I started work at 9 too.
Same time as me.
Yeah, I work from home.
That's nice.
It is, but sometimes it's lonely.
I understand that.
I sat at my desk and checked my emails.
A lot of emails?
Too many emails.
Emails never stop.
True.
I had a meeting in the morning.
How was it?
It was okay. A little long.
Long meetings are hard.
Yes, I wanted more coffee.
Always coffee.
Afternoon mood. How did you feel in the afternoon?
A bit tired, but calm.
Calm is good.
I took a short break.
What did you do?
I stood up, stretched, and looked out the window.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. I saw people walking their dogs.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it made me smile.
Small talk practice. You know, this is how people talk every day.
Yes, simple questions.
Like, how was your day?
Or, what did you do today?
And simple answers are okay.
You don't need big words.
Just be clear.
And be yourself.
Evening plans. So, Alex, what are you doing tonight?
Tonight?
I think I'll make dinner.
Cooking at home?
Yes, maybe pasta.
Nice choice.
Then I'll relax and read a little.
That sounds like a good evening. What about you? I'm going to call my sister.
That's sweet.
Yeah, we talk almost every day.
Family time is important. Reflecting on the day. You know, when we talk about our day, we also talk about our feelings.
That's true.
Happy.
Tired.
Busy.
Calm.
And that's real life English.
Not perfect, just honest.
Ending takeaway. So, if you're learning English, try this.
At the end of the day, ask yourself
How was my day?
and answer in simple sentences.
You can say, my day was good.
Or, my day was busy.
Or even, my day was not great.
That's okay too.
English is about communication.
Not being perfect.
Thanks for listening to our conversation today.
We're just two friends talking about life.
See you next time.
Take care, everyone.